Kitchens hold the soul of a home, yet they often become the busiest and messiest spot in daily life, especially when they're small or heavily used. I've seen plenty of trendy organizing hacks and tried my fair share of tools promising miracles. Yet the real question remains: what truly works? That's exactly what this list is here to answer. If managing a messy kitchen feels like a constant uphill battle, you're in the right place. I'm sharing my favorite simple, affordable DIY ideas to help you reclaim your space and bring back joy to your cooking and gathering moments. Transform cabinets and handles. One of the most impactful yet budget-friendly ways to refresh your kitchen is by transforming your existing cabinets. Instead of rushing into a costly replacement, consider a fresh coat of paint in a soft, timeless hue. Think warm grays, creamy whites, or muted pastels that elevate the space without overwhelming it. This gentle update instantly breathes new life into your kitchen, making it feel cleaner and thoughtfully designed. Beyond paint and hardware, don't overlook the power of a good clean and minor repairs. Tightening hinges, filling small dents, and cleaning surfaces can refresh your cabinet's appearance and extend their life. It's the kind of attentive care that turns a budget update into a lasting transformation. Next, turn your attention to the hardware. Swapping out cabinet handles and drawer pulls is a simple upgrade that goes a long way toward giving your kitchen a subtle air of sophistication. Choose pieces with elegant finishes like brushed brass, matte black, or antique nickel for a designer touch. It's amazing how such a small detail can change the entire look and feel, turning a tired kitchen into a chic, inviting space. This low-cost transformation is the perfect foundation before adding more organizational layers, making sure your kitchen not only functions better, but looks beautifully curated. Let's talk about one of the easiest ways to keep everything in its place. Storage solutions. Clutter quickly accumulates when everything has no proper home, but drawer organizers and shelf risers can be your secret weapons to tame the chaos. Drawer organizers create designated spots for utensils, gadgets, and tools, keeping them visible and easy to reach, which saves time and frustration. Choose simple, sturdy options in natural materials or sleek finishes that blend effortlessly with your kitchen's style. Shelf risers work wonders by doubling your cabinet space vertically. They allow you to stack dishes, cups, or pantry items without feeling cramped or messy. By using this vertical dimension cleverly, you open up room for other essentials and keep everything beautifully arranged. These small additions are affordable, easy to install, and deliver a big impact on everyday order. When selecting organizers, consider the flow of your daily kitchen tasks. Group utensils by use, keep everyday spoons and knives handy, while reserving specialty tools for less accessible spots. This thoughtful arrangement makes cooking smoother and keeps the drawers feeling neat and purposeful. Next, we'll freshen up those tired surfaces with some paint and grout magic. Repaint and refresh grout. A kitchen can look spotless, but when grout lines are stained or cracked, the space feels tired and neglected. Refreshing grout is a surprisingly simple fix that instantly brightens tile surfaces and elevates the overall cleanliness of your kitchen. There are easy DIY grout pens and cleaners available that make this task approachable even for beginners. If regrouting feels daunting, try focusing on high traffic or most visible areas first. This strategic approach can make a significant impact without overwhelming your schedule or budget. Over time, maintaining these spots keeps your kitchen looking consistently fresh. If you're feeling a bit more ambitious, repainting cabinets or kitchen walls with a fresh, clean color can work wonders. A gentle satin or semi-gloss finish in soft neutrals or delicate pastels brings a serene backdrop that lets your cabinetry and accessories shine. These subtle updates don't just improve appearance, they communicate care and attention, making your kitchen feel loved and well-tended. Now that your surfaces are looking fresh, let's explore how to transform your worktops and backsplash with stylish, budget-friendly solutions. Refresh worktops and backsplash. Worn countertops and outdated backsplashes can quickly age a kitchen's look, but replacing them often feels out of reach. Vinyl worktop coverings and peel and stick backsplash tiles offer a chic, affordable alternative that feels like a mini makeover without the hassle or cost of a full renovation. Vinyl coverings come in an array of beautiful patterns and textures, from sleek marble to warm wood grain, allowing you to customize your work surface with style and ease. Peel and stick tiles are equally versatile, adding pattern, color, or subtle shimmer behind your stove or sink. Plus, these updates are temporary and removable, perfect for renters or anyone who loves switching up their look. For the peel and stick backsplash, prep is key. Thoroughly clean and dry the surface before application to ensure durability. Take your time with placement to avoid bubbles and wrinkles, and don't be afraid to mix patterns subtly for a more bespoke feel. Don't forget to utilize hooks and magnetic strips on your backsplash or walls. They're elegant solutions to keep utensils, spices, or knives within reach, freeing up precious counter and drawer space while adding to your kitchen's functional beauty. Then, we'll give your cabinets a subtle yet stunning upgrade with a little window film magic. Glass update. If your cabinet doors are in good shape, but you want a subtle refresh, window film is a brilliant and budget-friendly option. Reeded, frosted, or patterned films add privacy while softening the look of glass front cabinets, giving them a fresh, elegant feel without the need for costly replacements. This clever update preserves the original cabinetry's charm while introducing texture and a hint of mystery behind the glass. It's an effortless way to balance practicality with style, perfect for those who appreciate timeless details without fuss. Window films also filter light softly, reducing glare and protecting cabinet contents from fading. This practical benefit combines with style, helping your kitchen feel both bright and comfortable throughout the day. Glass doors gain new life, turning your kitchen into a space that feels thoughtfully layered and refined. Storage solutions that tame clutter will be just as essential going forward. Designated drying spot. A cluttered countertop is often the result of having no clear place to let dishes dry. Creating a designated drying spot streamlines your kitchen routine and keeps your counters tidy. Whether it's a sleek drying rack tucked beside the sink or a charming tray layered with absorbent cloths, this small change makes a big difference. Choose drying solutions that complement your kitchen's style. Think minimalist metal racks, bamboo trays, or even a beautiful ceramic dish. Keeping this zone organized helps dishes dry efficiently while maintaining your kitchen's polished look. If space allows, consider incorporating a drying drawer or built-in rack to hide drying dishes neatly when not in use. These integrated solutions keep the countertop clear and enhance the kitchen's sleek appearance. Before we move on, I'm curious, what's your go-to drying setup? Do you prefer sleek racks or charming trays? Drop a comment below. With your drying area settled, organizing and labeling your storage will keep the order flowing beautifully. Labeling bins. Labels might seem simple, but they wield incredible power in taming kitchen chaos. Labeling bins in your pantry and fridge not only helps you locate items quickly, but also encourages mindful consumption. One of my favorite tricks is having an Eat Me Soon bin in the fridge, a dedicated spot for items nearing their expiration. This little habit reduces food waste and helps you decide what to pack for lunches or dinners without the stress of last-minute searches. From open snacks to fresh produce about to spoil, this bin keeps everything visible and prioritized. Thoughtful labeling brings clarity and calm, turning a messy fridge into a well-curated pantry. Clever storage continues with everyday containers repurposed into stylish solutions. Repurpose jars and baskets. Before rushing out for new storage, look around. Your kitchen likely already holds stylish containers waiting to be repurposed. Glass jars, woven baskets, and vintage tins can be transformed into chic, functional organizers for everything from dry goods to utensils. Grouping similar items creates a cohesive look. Adding personal touches like handwritten labels or fabric liners elevates these everyday pieces into beautiful accents that complement your kitchen's style. It's a smart, budget-friendly way to keep essentials in place while adding warmth and personality to your space. Glass jars with uniform lids are more coordinated when lined up on open shelves or inside cabinets, turning storage into subtle decor. Baskets are perfect for corralling loose items like snacks or linens, maintaining order without sacrificing style. Tidy countertops deserve the perfect finishing touch with thoughtfully chosen trash solutions. Refined trash setup. Trash cans are often overlooked, yet they play a crucial role in keeping your kitchen tidy and elegant. Choosing bins that blend seamlessly with your decor helps keep the space feeling polished and uncluttered. Consider options with sleek lids, soft, close features, or built-in odor control for added convenience and sophistication. If space is tight, look for slim, pull-out bins tucked inside cabinets to keep waste out of sight without sacrificing function. A well-chosen trash station is the final touch that quietly maintains your kitchen's fresh and tidy atmosphere. For larger families or frequent hosts, consider a multi-bin system separating recyclables, compost, and waste. Thoughtfully designed stations can keep these bins organized and discreet, turning a necessary chore into a seamless part of your kitchen's flow. With your kitchen decluttered and organized, the next step is enjoying the calm and beauty of your transformed space. Your kitchen's beauty and order are within reach. Make sure to watch this next video for more budget-friendly home decorating secrets.